Do you want to become a preferred choice of doctor for any patient? Do you want that your patient should choose you over any other doctor? Yeah. So today we'll be discussing about the secret about becoming a preferred doctor for any patient. There is a secret formula, and today we'll be discussing that. Hi, my name is Nitin, and I help doctors to build a beautiful brand which can stand in the market among their competition, and I help doctors to grow their business. To know the secret, first we need to understand why do we want to become a preferred doctor, why we need to differentiate from other doctors. So there are certain reasons which we'll go through. So first is the customer expectations. The customer is expecting you to be different from others because they have so many choices that it's into their advantage which doctor to go. So they have multiple options. So that's why they expect a better quality, a better service, a better treatment. And that's why these to fulfill those expectations, you need to differentiate yourself from other doctors. Then next thing is the competition. There is so much competition that obviously uh, every doctor tries to sell themselves in a way. It's not advertising, but how they can grow their business. So to overcome that competition, because there are so many doctors, even if you are a super specialist, it's not just about that general practitioners have that competition. Even if you are a specialist or even if you are a super specialist, you will also have that competition. And to overcome that competition, you need to differentiate from your fellow competition. Then the next thing is the quality of customer service and experience that you are providing to your patients. Because if they are getting a better customer experience, they are ready to pay and they are ready to take treatment from you, right? So it's not just that you are the only choice, because they have multiple choices, multiple options, and that's why they expect too much from the doctor. And obviously it's uh, it's expected from you that you should differentiate from your competition. Then we'll to build that uniqueness, we need to follow certain principles. The principles that will help us to build that uniqueness and that will help us to differentiate from others. So first thing is you need to plan for building a uniqueness and take action. So if you feel that you need to build that uniqueness and you need to differentiate from others, you need to take that first step. And if you are willing and if you are ready to take that learning, join my community where I help doctors to build that uniqueness, to differentiate themselves from the competition. I will be giving the link in the description box, and you can join there, and along with other doctors, you will be able to differentiate yourself from others. Then next principle is to be honest about your services. So how you can become honest and what impact it will have, because when we say about becoming honest about your services, the doctors have some kind of fear that okay, so this will expose me to the patient and my reputation will go down. No, it's not like that. It's a fear that we have. But when you become honest, there are two things happening. Your image in the eyes of the patient improves, and second, you get the opportunity to improve your services, your quality of your services, and it's your opportunity to differentiate from your competition. Because see, this is not a simple thing. It takes huge courage to be honest. And when you do that, not many other doctors are doing that. And when your competition is not doing that, obviously you have that advantage, and you will be able to differentiate from other doctors. Then you need to remove your shoes to use your patients. So what does that mean? It simply means putting yourself into the patient's place. What is that patient is expecting from you, and how you can fulfill those expectations. You need to have that empathy for the patient, and when you develop that empathy, you are able to think from customer point of view, and then obviously you are able to deliver that level of quality, and you are able to fulfill those expectations. Then the next thing is to improve the customer experience. When you are placing yourself in the shoes of the customer, and you are focusing on improving your services, the quality of services, the kind of treatment you give to the patient, obviously it will improve the quality of overall customer experience with you. And when the customers have a great experience with you, they are bound to come back to you. Okay. So then we'll move to the next step. There are few focus areas which you need to work on, and if you work on that, these are the secret steps to build that uniqueness and differentiate yourself from another doctors. First area to focus is on you. So what does mean by that? You can improve on your educational qualifications. You can differentiate yourself from your fellow competition, fellow doctors, fellow community members. Like, is there any particular education that will help your patients, that you can take in? You can invest in those educations. It could be any, it doesn't have to be clinical or medical education. It could be related to your improving your business, how you can improve your customer experience. It could be how you can build that differentiation from competition. Then you can focus on the methodology, how you treat your patients. It could be technical methodology, or it could be simple ways or conducting your clinics. This can help you to differentiate from other doctors, because when we often hear patients saying that when the doctor is good, he talks so good, डॉक्टर्स अगर आपसे बात करके मेरा आधा बीमारी चला जाता है. So that's the power of the kind of treatment you give to the patient. Then there's the communication. When you have a good communication, you have that honest communication, not the just glorified communication. You have that honest communication which makes patient to touch, like it touch their emotions. If they feel that the doctor is caring about you, then they have that bond and that relationship and that trust in you, and they prefer you over any other doctors. Then the next focus area is the competition or your organization. So what does mean by organization? So there are two aspects into the organization, which includes investing into the technology. How you can take the help of technology to improve your overall customer experience. Can you invest in some digital technology, or there could be any other factors? How you book the patient appointments, that simply can change your patient experience. Then focusing on the people in your organization. If you have any employees, your receptionist, your other staffs, how they can help improve your customer experience by changing the smallest. Even if you make 1% changes in all the departments, in every individual, it will improve your overall organizational experience and the brand value. So that's why you need to focus on your improving your staff, training them. Then the next area to focus on is embracing the concept of corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is not just meant for the corporates, but it's for the organizations to serve the community, so that it at the end benefits the community for which the business is being working. So when you do that, you have that advantage over your competition. And If you follow this step-by-step methodology, you'll be able to build that uniqueness. You will be able to differentiate yourself from the competition, and the patient will prefer you. They will prefer you for any kind of treatment relevant to your specialty. And if you feel that this was helpful, and I want you to comment in the comment section that what is that you learn from this video and how you can differentiate your clinical practice from today onwards. What is that one change you will take today to differentiate yourself from the competition? And if you want to be part of your learning journey, you can join me in my private community where I help doctors to build that their clinical practice in a profitable manner. And if you like this video, please do share with others so that they also benefit from this video. Thank you.